Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, download Telegram from the App Store or Google Play and install it. Next, open the app and register with your phone number to create an account. You will receive an SMS code to confirm your identity, so enter that code when prompted. After verification, open Settings and allow permissions for contacts and notifications so the app functions properly. Finally, complete your profile by adding a name and optional photo before you start using bots and chats. To find a chatbot, use Telegram search and type the bot username starting with @ Tap the correct bot in results to open its chat window and read the bot description. Inside the chat, tap Start to initialize the conversation and register any necessary settings. Many bots show a menu of buttons for quick actions. Use those buttons for faster navigation. You can also type commands manually, usually beginning with a slash like /help or /start, to access features directly. Interact with a bot using its commands, such as /help, /start, or custom command formats the bot supports. Learn available commands by typing /help or reading the pinned message and menu in the bot chat. To use a bot in a group, open the bot profile and choose Add to Group or invite the bot directly into the group chat. Manage bot permissions under Settings, then Privacy and Security to control access to messages and personal data. Finally, stop a bot anytime.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.